welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to this channel, make sure you click subscribe. So today this video about how to buy a car, salvage car, how to fix it and save a lot of money. I will show you step by step where to buy it, how to fix. I'm telling you guys, you will be shocked how easy it is and how much you can save without spending thousands of dollars. This is the car we're gonna work on. I bought it from an insurance company and I paid for it. Guys, this is how much I paid for it. I'm serious. So it's run and drive. The damage it has, the fender on the front driver's side, and have a damage here. The main damage is on the passenger side. The fender has been removed by the insurance company, and the door, this is the main work that we're gonna work on. The door, it's easy to replace the fender. We're gonna put the new fender, and we're gonna fix the door. I'm gonna show you how, where to get the material, and you know what, comment below what do you think about the damage. And how I see it, there is no damage on the wheel. The wheel is straight and everything. The bumper cover is fine. Maybe just a clip's missing and the missing corner light. Pretty much that's all. It's an easy fix. So we will stop by a couple of stores. The first one will be a Walmart, and other one will be a Harbor Freight. We're gonna take dark gray primer tape, Bondo spares, and body filler, rubber block, masking paper, and they don't have correct sandpaper, so that we're gonna go and check it out in another store. Our next stop, Harbor Freight. We're gonna take 9-inch hand sander, and they have more options for the sandpaper here. We will take grade 60, 150 and 220. Also we need to take grade 500 for the finish. Alright guys, so reason I'm doing this video, because there is a lot of people out there who thinks they don't have enough resources to fix their own car, or they don't have a shop, they don't have a correct tools. Today this is all about how you can fix it in your own backyard. Alright, this is the time to smash the like button. Yeah! So, we're gonna begin with removing the molding on the door. So when we're gonna fix the door, so we can pretty much just save the molding without any damage or scratches. And so first step, we need to straighten this door first before we're gonna apply the body filler, Bondo.